Good evening, friends. My name is Sonar, and I'm back with the most important MCQs from the science section. So, without any further delay, guys, let us start the. So, our first question is, which one is not a fat soluble vitamin? So, guys, as we have studied earlier, we know that there are four fat soluble vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So, other than that, what option we are having? Vitamin C. So, vitamin C is not a fat soluble vitamin. Okay, vitamin C is not a fat soluble vitamin. Moving towards the next question, guys, we are having which gland is called the master gland of the body. So remember, guys, it is the pituitary gland that is called the master gland of the body. So moving towards the next question, guys, we have match the following vitamins with their scientific names. Okay, so match the following vitamins with their scientific name. So guys, vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine. Vitamin B2 is also known as riboflavin. Vitamin C ascorbic acid, and vitamin A is known as retinol. So the option will be A1, B2, C3 and D4. So remember, guys, you must revise once right before you go into your examination that what are the scientific names of various vitamins. Okay, so this is very important. Gymnosperms versus angiosperms, choose the correct statement. So guys, gymnosperms bear flower, so this is incorrect. Angiosperms have naked seeds, this is incorrect. Angiosperm bear fruits with seeds enclosed, so angiosperms are what? Flowering plants. Gymnosperms are non-flowering plants. So angiosperms bear fruits with seed enclosed, correct. Gymnosperms produce fruits, no. Okay, so this will be option C will be correct. Moving towards the next one, saprophytic mode of nutrition refers to feeding on insect, no. Feeding on dead and decaying organic matter, yes. Okay, so if any organism is feeding on dead and decaying organic matter, then this mode of nutrition is called as saprophytic mode of nutrition. Moving towards the next question, guys, the difference between ectoparasite and endoparasite. Now, guys, parasite are certain organisms that obtain their nutrition from any other organism. Okay, either on the surface of that particular organism or within the body or inside the body of that particular organism. So based on that, they have been classified into two categories: ectoparasite and endoparasite. So ectoparasite are the one that is taking nutrition from the surface of the body of the host, whereas endoparasite are the ones that is taking nutrition within the body of the host. Okay, inside the body of the host. So ectoparasite live inside the host? No. It is endoparasite. Endoparasite live on the host surface? No. It is ectoparasite. Okay. Lice are ectoparasite? Yes. Tapeworm are endoparasite. Lice are found on the body surface, whereas tapeworms are found inside the body of the host. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have which is only reptile with a 4-chambered heart. So remember, guys, all the reptiles, they have 3-chambered heart, whereas the crocodile is one such reptile that is having 4-chambered heart. Okay, so amphibians, they have 3-chambered, reptiles, they have 3-chambered heart. Aves, which means birds and mammals, they have 4-chambered heart respectively. So, but the crocodile is one such reptile that is having 4-chambered heart. Okay, now moving towards the next section, that is from physics, half-life of a radioactive substance is. Now, radioactive substance, they always emit radiation. Okay, always emit various types of particles, alpha, beta, gamma particles. So after a point of time, the body is reduced to half. Okay, so this is known as half-life. Okay, so time taken for half of the nuclei to decay, this is known as half-life of a radioactive substance. Okay, moving towards the next question, guys. Sound wave versus light wave, identify the correct statement. Okay, sound is an electromagnetic wave, whereas light is a mechanical. So this is incorrect, guys. Moving towards the next statement, sound needs a medium, whereas light does not. So this is correct. Sound, for the propagation of the sound waves, we need medium, and it travels fastest in the solid medium. Light does not need any medium, and that is the reason why we are getting the sunlight. Okay, both need a medium to travel? No. Both are longitudinal? No. A bird can sit on electric wires without shock. The reason, because both of the feet are at same potential. Okay, both of the feet is at same potential, and whenever the potential difference is zero, the electricity will not flow. Okay, whenever there is any potential difference, it will lead to flowing of electricity. Transformers works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Remember guys, transformers, it works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. There are two types of transformer: step up and step down transformer. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have lightning is seen before the thunder sound is just because that light travels faster than sound. Okay, the speed of light is faster than the speed of sound. That is why we see the lightning first and then we hear the sound of the thunder. Moving towards the next question, guys, match the following. Okay, there are various speeds of sound and what are their names. Okay, so guys, if a particle is moving if a jet fighter is moving less than the speed of the sound, it is said to have subsonic speed. Okay, when it is moving equal to the speed of the sound, then we say it is having sonic speed. Okay, and when it is having speed greater than the speed of sound, we say it is supersonic speed. Okay, supersonic speed. So the correct option will be A1, B2, C3 and C3. Okay, moving towards the next question, guys, we have if a passenger standing in a moving bus falls forward when the brakes are applied, this is because of inertia of the motion. This is because of inertia of the motion. Whenever you are sitting in a bus also, whenever suddenly brakes, okay, suddenly when the bus driver brakes, we tend to fall forward. Okay, this is due to the inertia of the motion. Okay, moving towards the next question, guys, we have match the following scientists with the discoveries of various atom and subatomic particles. So remember, guys, John Dalton is associated with atomic theory. J.J. Thomson is associated with the founding of electrons. Rutherford is associated with the founding of nucleus, and Chadwick is associated with the founding of neutron. Okay, so the option will be A1, B2, C3 and D4. Okay, A1, B2, C3 and D4. Who gave the modern periodic table? So it is, guys, it was Henry Moseley. However, the first person to basically form the periodic table was Dmitry Mendeleev. Okay, Mendeleev. It was Mendeleev who gave the idea, who laid the foundation for the periodic table, and the modern periodic table is based on Henry Moseley's periodic table. Okay. Then we have the acid turns blue litmus into red. Okay, and the base turns red litmus into blue. Red litmus into blue. Remember that. Now, guys, we have the next question. Match the following properties of metals. Okay, what are the various properties and what is ductility? The ductility of a metal is the ability to be drawn into wires. Okay, then we have malleability. Malleability means if it is the exclusive property of the metals that they can be converted into thin sheets. This is known as malleability. And sonorousness is the ability to produce ringing sound. Okay, so the bells are made up of metals. Okay, if non-metals are used in making of bells, they will not produce sound. So the correct option will be A1, B2, C3. Okay, moving towards the next question, guys, we have why gypsum is added to cement. Okay, So gypsum is actually added to cement to basically slow down the setting of cement, that allows the workers to work with cement. Okay, otherwise it will settle down very fast. Okay, that is the reason gypsum is added to cement. Now guys, we have the next question. What is filled inside chips packet to prevent it from spoiling? So guys, remember that it is nitrogen gas that is put inside the chips packet or other edible stuff packets. Okay, we often complain that it has gas, so it is actually required, otherwise the food particles will spoil by reacting with oxygen in the atmosphere. Okay, so guys, this was all. This was the second session on the important MCQs of science. If you want more such sessions, stay connected with Edufy. Thank you.